Hi, Peter Nelms here with Liftboss in Calgary, Alberta. We're a local JCB dealer. Today we're going to be doing a quick walk around on a JCB model 409 wheeled loader. The 409 wheeled loader weighs approximately 1,300 pounds and has a lift capacity around 9,500 pounds straight and 7,500 pounds fully turned. So it makes it a great size loader for using in yards, landscaping, loading rocks, trucks, way faster than a skid steer with way more volume. Now as we walk around this machine, you'll notice that up high, the bracing versatility coming down to the front, and that is also enhanced by just having a single breakout cylinder in the middle rather than two down the side, so you get excellent visibility down to your front bucket. It comes with a variety of tires that you can put on the machine. As well, it comes with a hydraulic quick attach, which is a skid steer type, so you can add very many options onto it. Besides the bucket, you can put augers, brooms, whatever you think you'd be needing. It also comes with auxiliary hydraulics to run your broom, your augers, and your other attachments. It flows about 23 gallons a minute. So with that, you can see how robust the front end is. JCB was started as a welding company, so welding and steel is a big part of the manufacturing. And also the paper helps open up the arm. Come over here to the side, you will see our articulation joint. Now, with the thickness of these two that are on here, and your uppers and your lowers, you got 40% articulation up and down, which keeps your load nice and level and a nice ride as you're driving along. Also comes optional with a locking front differential, which can be manually operated from the inside of the cab. Now these units are a hydrostatic drive, so it makes it nice that they're all tucked up and inside. It's a 2-speed hydrostatic. First speed up to 6 kilometers an hour, second up to 20. So if you're roading it, you've got a lot farther, and traveling distance will save you a lot of time. There is even an option, which isn't on this one, is a roading one, where you can engage it in second gear and get up to 40 kilometers an hour. So if you're doing a lot of traveling, it's going to save you time and money. Inside of here, you have your cab air filter, all your fuses and everything, easy, right ground level, and it's up and it's out away from the dust and everything else, so it makes it for very low maintenance. You'll also notice that your air conditioning unit is up top, keeps it away from the heat of the engine, makes it much more economical and works way better. Back of the machine, 74 horse JCB bipolar. It's tier 4 final, no DPF, no diesel exhaust fluids, so it's decent standard. There's nothing to replace, and it's going to be a low cost and very functional for you. All your daily checks are labeled easily. Battery is very easy to get to, and then just around at the side to keep it up and out of the way, we also have your 2-stage air filter. And you can see that your gas, your diesel water separator is here as well. So everything's in its place. No stepping up, no moving around. You also have a tow hitch that's on the back, good for towing 7,500 pounds or pulling other wheel loaders out of the mud. Come to the front of it, you'll see the huge spacious cab on it. It's a huge cab for this size of wheel loader. Now, as in all JCBs, 3-point of contact. As you're coming up and in, standard is the tilt and telescopic wheel. One joystick control. This controls your bucket, your crowd, forward, neutral, reverse, and then you have your extra speeds and your hydraulics on here. Everything is well organized, radio, sun visor, and your one pedal on the floor, your acceleration pedal, And then this pedal is actually a brake and a creep pedal. So you can increase the speed of your bucket going up and down by just pressing it slightly, and it disengages your front or rear drive. Park brake on the side, and from here the visibility is beautiful back and front with the slope hood in the back. If you're looking for somebody or something to do and buy the right machine, get a JCB. You'll be happy, and we'll be happy to have you.